Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get to Great Desert in Botworld. First, you'll want to start your adventure in the Scrapper Coast. This is your initial hub, so make sure you've spent some time here. It's important to fully explore and scout the entire Scrapper Coast map. As you do, you'll encounter various wild bots. Be sure to defeat them all to clear the area and strengthen your team for what lies ahead. Once you've thoroughly explored Scrapper Coast and defeated its bots, it's crucial to ensure your bot team is well upgraded. The Great Desert presents tougher challenges, with enemy bots ranging from level 5 to 11. Next, make your way to the Eastern Clearing, which is still part of the Scrapper Coast. You can either walk there or use a convenient teleport if you have one unlocked. After arriving at the Eastern Clearing, your next step is straightforward. Simply head north on your map. As you move in this direction, keep an eye out for a distinct dashed line on the ground. This line marks the boundary to the Great Desert. Once you cross this dashed line, the new arid region will officially open up for you to explore, filled with new adventures. Before venturing deep into the Great Desert, remember that its bots are more experienced, with levels from 5 to 11. A strong team is vital for survival. Some players find that progressing through main story quests, especially those involving dynamite to clear paths, can be helpful. Also, be aware that certain side quests in the Great Desert, like Ancient Ruins or the Watchtower, require a bot pack level of at least 3.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.